Grumpy Cat's going to play a little guessing game with you today. So if you could turn in your Saxon math book to 75-2A, and that's page 307 at the bottom. You're going to open it and see some shapes on the page. So I'm going to go ahead and write Grumpy Cat's name. You can go ahead and write your name at the top. I think you should have room for your first and last name. And then we're going to write today's date, which is May, M-A-Y, finger space, 22nd, which is 2-2, and then the year is 2020, 2020. There we go. So these three shapes here are parallelograms. So I'm going to say that again. I'm going to break it down slowly. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Okay, kind of a fun word to say because it's got a lot of the L sound in it. Okay, so over here we have a trapezoid and it has the red in it. Okay, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to put that there. The blue one here is a rhombus, if you also called a diamond. And then down here you have a triangle, which is green. Okay, so the guessing, what Grumpy Cat wants you to do is guess first on this one up here, how many of those trapezoids do you think will fit inside this parallelogram? How many do you think will fit inside the perimeter here? Okay, so you're going to write just up here, just write your guess, okay, and you can guess anything you want. I'm thinking at the most 2. Okay, so that one might be a little bit easier because it's bigger. Then we're moving down to the middle one, which is in between size. So this is big, middle size, smallest, okay? So how many blue do you think will fit in here? I'm thinking 1, 2, I'm kind of guessing. I'm going to think maybe 3. Okay, so how many triangles then will fit into that parallelogram? I'm thinking maybe 5. Okay, so Grumpy Cat's going to help me, and here's what he's going to do. The first thing he's going to do is he's going to move this over there. So there's one that fits there, and then he's going to grab another one, and watch what he does. He's going to make that fit inside. I'm going to help him there. So it is 2. 2 of the red trapezoids will fit inside that shape. So on this line now, write 2. This is our mathematical answer. That was our guess. So did I guess correctly? Yes, so I'm going to put a check right there, okay? Now, for right here, I have the rhombuses, okay? So I need to go ahead, or with Grumpy Cat's help, we'll see. He doesn't want to move those, but there's 1, there's 2, and there's 3. There. So actually 3 did fit in there. So that was my guess, but we're mathematicians, so we actually have to prove our guesses, okay? So write 3 on this line, and since my guess matched, I'm going to put a check mark, okay? Now how many green? Okay, so we're going to move this over. Okay, Grumpy Cat's going to bring some to me and I'll put them in. Okay, so I put those there, I put that one there, and now I'm going to put this in, fill in that space. We don't want any white space showing, and I want to make there. So actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was 6. Okay, so I'm going to cross that out. Okay, so this was correct, this was correct. So those are congruent shapes. And so remember, when you're mathematicians, you might become an architect, you might become an engineer, you might become a builder, and you're going to need to know about things like this because different shapes offer different strengths to what you're building. So I hope you enjoyed our guessing game today with Grumpy Cat. Go ahead and give yourself an exit ticket at the top.